Hello everyone. So now today we will see what are the types of polynomials. So there are two types of polynomials. One is term and other one is on the basis of degree. Okay. So term, we have seen the individual components of a polynomial are called terms. Okay. So term can be of three kinds: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial means the single term. If an expression has single term like 2x, 2, or we can say y, this is a monomial. Since there are only single terms associated with this expression. Next is binomial. Any expression or any polynomial which has two terms associated with it is called binomial. Example: 2x plus y, 3x plus 4, x plus y. These are the examples of binomials, since there are two terms in an expression. Next is trinomial. Trinomial is next where three terms are associated in a polynomial. These that are called trinomial. In trinomial, like it could be 2x plus 2x square plus x plus y, or 3x plus y plus z. So these are the examples of trinomial, since there are three expressions, three terms associated in this expression. Next is on the basis of degree. So here we will see what is the degree of that polynomial. Degree means what is the highest degree of any variable in that particular polynomial or in that expression. So constant polynomial means where degree of the variable is 0. So if it is 2, if it is x की power 0, so this is the constant polynomial, since its value won't get changed because variable, the power of variable is 0 here. What is linear polynomial? Where the degree of the expression is 1. For example, x plus y, 2x plus 3. Here the highest degree is 1. Next is quadratic polynomial. When in an expression the highest degree of the variable is 2. For example, x square plus y, x square, z square plus 4. Here the highest degree of the expression is 2. Highest degree is 2. Highest degree is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Next we have cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial is the expression same where the highest power of the variable is 3. So we won't say the power, we will use the word degree. Highest degree of the expression is 3. That is a cubic polynomial. Suppose 3x cube plus 2x square equals to 4. It could be x cube only, it could be 5z की power 3 plus z equals to 2. So highest degree of the variable is 3. So this would be a cubic polynomial. So it is clear, there are two types on the basis of two criteria. There are two types of polynomial on the basis of term and on the basis of degree. Term again is classified into three: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial is where in an expression there is only one term. Binomial, where there is an expression there are two terms associated with it. Trinomial, where in an expression there are three terms associated with it. Then on the basis of degree, constant, linear, quadratic and cubic. नाम से समझ में आ रहा है. Constant is where the power of the variable is 0. Linear, where the power of the variable is 1. Quadratic, where the power of the variable is 2. And cubic, where the power of the variable is 3. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.